Okay, I think I know what I want to do. Is I'm going to lift the camera up off the tripod and take it for a walk right down by the, as the waves are crashing in. Okay, here we go. Up we go. Ooh. And this is the best we could do for sand. Can you see that, Brenda? Sand. It's a sand here. Gotta wear good shoes unless you got the best calluses on the planet. That's it. That's the breakwater up there. And where you can't walk anymore because of the pandemic. Anyway, we'll cut and print that one. And you can't get too close to this because this is salt water. Whoa! There we go. Cut and print.